Dear students, welcome in Jazzwords Computer Lecture Online. 8th class, chapter number 2. Let's start the remaining topics of this chapter. Ways through which a virus, worms and adware spread. There are different ways through which a virus, worms and adware spread from one computer to other computer. A virus, worms and adware can spread through infected flash device or disks, email attachments, surfing insecure websites, installing pirated software. Number 1 is infected flash drives or disks. Infected mean a device which is already has a virus in it. For example, nowadays a coronavirus is very common in this world in these days. If a person is infected by a coronavirus, he is a source of spreading coronavirus. Same as it is infected flash drives or disks are the source of spreading viruses in the computers. So, infected flash drives or disks can be cause of spreading viruses in other computers. Number 2, email attachments. Email stands for electronic mail. This is also a common source of spreading viruses through one computer to another. When we send email and a file as an attachment with the email, it can be cause of spreading viruses into the computer. Attachments is a common purpose we use in daily life. We can send our pictures, audio and video files through email. So it can be the cause of a way of spreading viruses. Surfing insecure websites. Insecure websites are also a very big source of spreading viruses into the computer. When we use insecure, unauthorized websites for unethical purposes, it can be a cause of spreading websites. Viruses can spread through surfing insecure websites. Unethical practice and attempt to automatically access the computer when users visit them. Install adware that may cause a flurry of pop-ups to appear on the screen. The last one is installing pirated software. Pirated software means a software which are not recognized or authorized by the software companies. So software which has been duplicated and distributed without authorization is called pirated software. When we install software through by using internet, it can be a cause of spreading viruses through the internet. So this is the way of through which viruses, worms and adware spread into the computer. So stay home, stay safe and keep studying. God bless you.